And we have more news coming in at this point in time. This is, in fact, the first comment from the Jal Shakti Minister on Akhilesh questioning the quality of the Ganga water. Union Jal Mantri says Ganga has been cleaned through Namami Gange project. People are taking a dip with faith. Namami Gange project has been successful. There is no trace of dirt in Kumbh. Opposition is trying to raise questions in Mahakumbh, but is not succeeding, says the Mantri. They're trying to mislead the people, but aren't successful, is what he said. Concerns were raised about the quality of the river water in river Ganga, and the Mantri has now said that this is just politics and that there is no doubt on the purity and the cleanliness of the water.
महाकुंभ में सवाल उठाने के लिए जिस तरह से विपक्ष कोशिश कर रहा है वो भी सफल नहीं हो रहे हैं। उनके निवेदन के बाद भी लोग की भीड़ उमड़ रही है क्योंकि उनको उनमें विश्वास नहीं है मां गंगा में, कुंभ में।
All right, listen in fact to what the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh had also said. In fact, he's talking about the Ganga water and the quality of the water.
जल की शुद्धता के जो मानक होते हैं वह दो स्तर पर जांची जाती है। एक तो बीओडी स्तर पर बायोलॉजिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड के रूप में और दूसरा डीओ के रूप में डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन के रूप में। और इन दोनों के मानक निर्धारित हैं जिसमें बीओडी 3 या उससे कम होना चाहिए और डीओ जो डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा है वो 5 से अधिक होनी चाहिए। जल में स्नान करने के लिए जल की जो मात्रा होती है उसमें ये मात्रा इस रूप में होनी चाहिए। और मुझे बताते हुए यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि उत्तर प्रदेश जो पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड है वो लगातार वहाँ पे जल की मॉनिटरिंग करता है, उसकी गुणवत्ता को बनाए रखने के लिए कार्य कर रहा है। और आज की जो उनकी रिपोर्ट है संगम की कि संगम और उसके आगे पीछे जो बीओडी है वो 3 या उससे कम है और डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा ये 8 और 9 से अधिक पाई जा रही है। यानी संगम का जल स्नान करने लायक भी है और आचमन करने लायक भी है। जो लोग इसका दुष्प्रचार कर रहे हैं वे उन सबको इस बात को देखना चाहिए।
All right, I'm going straight across to Santosh for more details on that story. Santosh, clarifications coming in from the Union Ministry as well, the Jal Mantri, which is the department in charge, that the water is clean and that these fears are baseless in that sense.
Definitely what the Union Water Resource Minister C.R. Patil has said that the water, whether it is in a river Ganga or whether it is in a Sangam, all is clean and there is no dirt or we can say that the politics is going on and the opposition is trying to counter the BJP and especially on the organizing such a big crowd in the Mahakumbh. But as C.R. Patil has said, that Namami Gange project, who is heading this whole cleanliness of not only in the Ganga, even all the rivers, and specialized unit has been placed in the Prayagraj, and so they are monitoring in all these parameters. So we can say that what C.R. Patil has said, that not only the river Ganga is clean, even the Sangam water is up to the mark for the holy dip and also to take the water. That's the reason many devotees, those who are coming for taking the holy dip in river Ganga, they take the water for their worship, for the elder persons, that they will also can take the holy dip in their homes. So this is the devotees' devotion for the Sangam, but this is the devotees, we can say the faith in river Ganga, and this is the devotees' faith in Sangam water, that it is, although the political parties are alleging of mismanagement and pollution of rivers in Prayagraj or in Sangam, but besides that, the devotees claims that there is nothing before the piety and the purity of river Ganga, and Sangam is clean, and they have full devotion and full faith in river Ganga and
All right.
Sangam.
Santosh Sharma getting us those details as far as the politics around the water is concerned. I'm going to thank you for the moment.